Hello everybody, welcome back again. Today I am going to give the solution for the second problem on sales budget. The problem is like this. Suraj Limited manufactures and sells two products M and N in Karnataka and as well as in Kerala state. For the purpose of preparation of sales budget, the following information has been made available. Prepare sales budget for the future period. You have to prepare the budget, sales budget for the future period. That is the actual requirement of the problem. That is what you have to calculate. And well, the budgeted sales for the current year information is given to you. Product M, 6,000 units at the rate of rupees 9 in Karnataka you have to sell, and Kerala 9,000 units at the rate of rupees 9. Whereas N product 2,225 units at the rate of rupees 42 in Karnataka and 3,007 units at the rate of rupees 42 in Kerala. Actual sales for the current year were, what sales is happening, this is the budgeted sales figure of current year which they are estimated, but actual sales, what is happened, what is occurred is also given. Actual sales for the current year were product M in Karnataka 7,000 units at the rate of rupees 9 and 10,000 units at the rate of rupees 9 in Kerala. Whereas N product 1,200 units at the rate of rupees 42 and 2,500 units at the rate of rupees 42. So it was found that the additional information is given to you as you have to prepare sales budget for the future period. For that concerning, you have been given some additional information which you have to keep it in the mind before you prepare the actual requirement of the problem, that is calculation of or preparation of sales budget for the future period. It was found that the product M has favorable demand in the market. So product M has got a favorable demand. Even though if its price is increased by rupees 1, its sales will not be affected. If the product N is overpriced, here the intention what they have thinking that if the product N and already N is overpriced and it's proposed to reduce it by rupees 2. So that is what the changes, both changes you have to keep it in the mind while the preparation of sales budget for the future period. And what is other additional information? On the base of the above estimated, it is expected that percentage increase in sales will be. So there is, you have to increase the sales figure also. Product M, 10% you have to increase, 6,000 units budgeted sales, that should be increased by 10%. And product N, 2,225 units budgeted sales and you have to increase it by 20%. Whereas in for Kerala, 9,000 units of M product were estimated sales for the current year, that is budgeted sales for the current year, and that should be increased by 5%. Whereas product N in Kerala 3,750 units is the budgeted sales, that is estimated sales for the current year, and that should be increased by 10% while the preparation of the sales budget for the future period. And there is another additional information which continues. It is also expected that there will be a further push up of sales by giving advertisement. If there is any improvement in giving advertisement, the sales figure get increases. How much it get increases? Product M in Karnataka get increases by 500 units and product N gets increases by 300 units. Whereas in Kerala, by increase of advertisement, product M get increases of 400 units and product N gets increases of 350 units. So these information which you have to keep it in your mind, and the problem is already sent with you. I hope you are having in your hand, and let us go for the solution part. See, this is the actual format of the sales budget for the future period. You have to draw this the format as in the previous problem also we have discussed it. You have to take up the budgeted format in the name of units, rate per unit and the value. So here three different stage figure is given, and one is here units, and here rate per unit and value, units, rate per unit, value, units, rate per unit, value. Three important columns which you need to follow while the preparation of this, the format. Well, for Karnataka, just keep it the problem with your hand. So let me go for the budgeted sales for the